Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain very important feature that we have built in our platform, that is worksheets. So as you all know, we already have developed the feature that is lecture videos and PDF and even this video conferencing. So in the lecture video, students can direct view the lectures of the teachers. In the PDF, basically they can read the contents of the chapters, and in the connector they can directly connect with the teachers through video conferencing. Now in the worksheets, the students can do practice on various questions specific to that chapter. Now let me explain you overall user experience of teachers, students as well as admin for this feature. So let's start with teacher. Before that, let me explain you how this is going to work. See, for this worksheets, what will happen that we will have a pool of like a lot of teachers, like around 10,000 teachers in the platform. So every teacher has to create a set of 5 questions for each chapter that they register. So whenever the teacher wants to onboard to this platform, they have to do these 3 things. First, they have to create the lecture video for the chapter that they want to register. Then they have to create the PDF document for that chapter, and then third is this they have to create a set of questions that will form the worksheets for the students, right? Once they do this, then they can start getting they can start earning in this platform. All right, so let me show you the overall user experience. Let's start with teacher. So when the teacher log into this platform, they just click here, teach. Then they go here in digital learning. So select any curriculum, suppose CBSE grade 6. All right, go here, home. Same like they have to create the PDFs, right? Because part of the same chapter, they have to hit that. Then they can select any chapter that they want to upload the content. Suppose this computers advanced word features, this first chapter we take. Okay, they can put the name, that is their full name. Then here they have to input the video ID. So this is the only the video ID that is generated by the YouTube. Most of the teachers do mistake here. They put the complete URL. So you don't need to input the URL. You just need to copy that the last part of the URL, that is video ID, and just paste here. Okay, I already copied, so I just paste it here like this, and then they have to upload the PDF. So we already have the training how to create the PDF. I hope everybody knows that, and if you don't know, I'll upload the training for that also in the YouTube. So you can upload the PDF. Yeah, and then this is a worksheet, so you have to upload the worksheet. So how do you upload the questions of the worksheet? Just click here. Then once you click here, you will get a set of 5 questions. Here actually I've configured only one for the demo purpose, but for the teachers, they will get a set of 5 questions which they need to fill. So these questions is going to be from within the chapter that the teacher has prepared the content. So for those 5, for that chapter, you can decide what are the key questions that will enable the students to do practice for the chapter. You can input more than 5 questions, but 5 is a minimum, right? And along with the questions, they also need to configure that complexity level of the question. So whether the question is very simple or medium or very highly complex, as well as the timer. So timer means how much time the teachers expect the students to solve the question. Suppose if the question if the teacher expects students to solve the questions within 2 minutes, so they can configure that also. Okay, there is not configured here, but in the next release it will be available. So the teachers can input those questions. So I just input here the question. I'll just put any simple question, but the question should be very specific to the chapter, right? What was the topic? That is related to computers, right? Some XYZ, you can put some wrong answer, right? But it should be like some meaningful wrong answer so that students get confused. Central, let me put Ming unit here. Yeah, so the answer should be such that the student should get confused. They should not, it shouldn't be very evident for the student that they can judge based on their gut feeling. They should get confused. They should feel that all questions are correct. Okay, so once the teacher submit here, okay, that is submitted, and then they can hit this button. So once the teacher submit this, you can see this it turned submitted. That means your application has been submitted. Okay, then okay, they can go back again, go back. So if the teacher wants to know about the status of that application, they can go to the next step, that is create a class, and you just go down. You can see this, the last application, that is computers chapter advanced word processing is pending, right? So remember what was the chapter and the grade, that is grade 6 CBSE. Now this, now why it is pending? Because now it has gone to the admin for approval. So the teacher has to wait, or maybe they can directly contact their admin to review and approve their contents. Okay, so let me log in as admin. In teacher's case, they are not the admin, so they have to contact their admin. But in my case, for the demo purpose, I am the admin for my own account, so I'll just log in as an admin. So this is the user experience for the admin, like what they have to do. So admin can go to this manage approvals. When they go here, they will see that the last card is the application from the teacher, right? On the top there is a teacher name, and then they can view this the videos. Okay, I've just put the demo video. They can view the PDF like this. Again, this is a dummy PDF, and they can view the worksheet like this. So you see this, whatever question I've put here, they can review. So in real case, it's going to be a set of 5 questions, right? So after reviewing this, they can just swipe left to approve. Now it is approved, right? So now it is approved from admin. So what happens that when the admin approve that teacher content, it directly appears to the students. Okay, but for the teacher to start their revenue, they have to start their class. So they have to go to their home page and they have to create their class. So remember, when the teacher had created their class, it was showing as pending because it was pending for approval. Now since admin has approved, it has been approved. Now teacher has to hit this create a class. Otherwise what happens that even after your content has been approved, you won't earn the revenue because you won't receive the calls from the students. So to open your window to interactions with the students, you have to hit this button, that is create your class. You see, you got the notification, you are open for student requests for more info, right? So now teachers will start getting calls from the students, and they can interact with the students, and based on that interactions, they will earn the revenue. Now let us log in a student and see what is the user experience for the students. Okay. So for the students, they will click on learn. Okay, it was CBSE, right? So let's go to CBSE grade 6. So go to explore, and yeah, we had uploaded the content for these computers word features, right? So go here. Yeah, so you can see this is my dummy video, right? This something like this. This is my dummy video, and then this is the book. So the student can view the video, they can read the books, they want to connect the teacher through here, and then the worksheet will come here. So the student can view all the questions from the worksheets, okay, and they can participate in this worksheet. Suppose this, what is CPU? So I just put this computer processing unit. Yeah, this is correct. If I hit this another one, it shows red. Another one is red, is all red, but this is green. So the students can do practice in the worksheet like this. So I hope now you all understand how this worksheet is going to work. And in the most advanced feature level, we will have AI driven worksheets that we will post easy. We'll start with easy questions for the students. Then based on their response, we will increase the complexity, right? So those things will come in the future. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.